In front of me is Google Pixel 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can remove a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Then click on All Services right next to Recommended and tap on Autofill. Now Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Over here you need to tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Then select Delete button right next to the Edit one. And last but not least, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!